Unfortunately, the latest on the pandemic, increasing signs the country is heading in the wrong direction. 45 states reporting a 10% increase in cases from coast to coast. That Yankee game in New York, the first MLB game postponed since April.
And in California, Los Angeles County has reimposed an indoor mask mandate, even for those who are vaccinated, amid a sharp rise in cases. Matt Gutman is on the scene. Good morning, Matt.
Hey, good morning, George. Health officials say there are still about 100 million unvaccinated Americans who are still potentially vulnerable to the virus. That is, we're seeing hotspots pop up across the country. Here in LA County, you mentioned it, the positivity rate has spiked 1,200% just over the past month, prompting that indoor mask mandate, which means that anybody coming into a restaurant, a mall, or a theater will have to wear a mask, even if they are vaccinated. This morning, that concerning milestone, Los Angeles County mandating masks indoors effective immediately, even for people who are vaccinated. That is the county reporting its highest infection numbers since early March. And it's not just there. The highly contagious Delta variant tearing across the country. Arkansas, Missouri, Florida, and Nevada now labeled as high transmission states, and breakthrough cases are growing. Overnight, the Yankees forced to postpone their game against the Red Sox after 3 Yankees pitchers tested positive, all of them fully vaccinated.
Certainly, disappointing and frustrating.
In California, Sean Fruit and his wife also testing positive after taking a trip to Las Vegas, despite being fully vaccinated. Sean says their kids then got sick. They're too young to be vaccinated.
I'm pretty confident that if I hadn't had the boost from the vaccination, I might not be standing here talking to you right now.
As the school year approaches, concern mounting of possible outbreaks among unvaccinated children. Nationwide, only a quarter of kids 12 to 15 are fully immunized. In Arizona's Chandler Unified School District, school is back in session on Wednesday, and the state has made it illegal to mandate masks.
I think we'll have some students opting to wear masks, some not opting to wear masks, and I think that everybody will be very accepting of those personal choices.
Educator Katie Nash has 2 school-age children. One of them is immunocompromised.
We need to have a mask mandate back again. I am very nervous. My children will be wearing masks when they return.
Her daughters Kaylee and Kira want their classmates to wear masks.
I don't want to get sick.
Me neither.
Of course, people are still getting sick, even if they are vaccinated. The silver lining, if there is one, is that in the vast majority of those so-called breakthrough infections, the symptoms have been relatively mild. But still, business owners across the country are concerned of additional lockdowns just as they're getting back on their feet, George.
That's right, Matt. And CDC is set to meet on booster shots.
Right, there's a federal advisory panel that is going to meet next week to decide whether to give booster shots to the most vulnerable, the people who are immunocompromised, even if they don't recommend it for the general population, George.
Matt Gutman, thanks.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.